அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You are asking me, I am also fine children. Today we are going to see the subject English in term 2, lesson 2, Wonders of the Jungle. Wonders of the Jungle. You already learned animals' names in this lesson, isn't it children? You know so many animals, wild animals and domestic animals, isn't it? Say some wild animals names. Very good children. Lion, tiger, elephant. So these are wild animals. What about domestic animals children? Very good. Cow, goat, rabbit, and these kinds of animals are domestic animals. Now we move to our subject. Now we are going to see in this lesson about noun. We are going to see noun. What is noun? You already learned. Noun is a name of a person, place and things. Noun, பெயர். Noun na பெயர் சொல். It is a name of a person. ஒரு மனிதரோட பெயர். Then it is a name of a place. ஒரு இடத்தோட பெயர். And it is a name of a thing. ஒரு பொருளோட பெயர். இந்த பெயர்களை குறிப்பிடுவது noun. Now we are going to see, let us know. Let us know. Valli and Chittu talk about names. Valli. So from the first lesson, from the first unit, we are traveling with two persons. One is Valli and another one is Chittu. So Valli and Chittu, they both are very good friends. Did you forget who is Valli? I will show you children. Who is Valli? Look at your screen. She is Valli. Valli and Chittu. Who is this? Chittu. We are going to introduce one more kid. What does mean by kid? ஆட்டோட குட்டி, goat. சிட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அவங்களோட சிஸ்டர் வந்து ஒரு புது கேரக்டர் இங்க இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் ஆகுறாங்க. See, Mittu. Chittu's sister name is Mittu. So Valli and Chittu talk about names. Valli, Chittu and Mittu, they are going to talk about names. We'll see the conversation now. Valli and Chittu, Mittu is there. Valli is asking, hello Chittu and Mittu, how are you? Valli, Chittu, Mittu கிட்ட கேக்குறாங்க, நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Now Chittu and Mittu said, we are fine. We are fine. நாங்க நல்லா இருக்கோம் அப்படின்ட்டு Chittu and Mittu சொல்றாங்க. Next, Mittu asking something to Valli. What? Mittu asked, why do you call me Mittu and my sister Chittu? Why do you call me Mittu and my sister Chittu? ஏன் எதுக்காக என்ன மிட்டுன்னு கூப்பிடுறீங்க, என்னோட சிஸ்டரை சிட்டுன்னு கூப்பிடுறீங்க அப்படின்னு யார் கேட்கறது? மிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. Now again Valli replied to Mittu. What she replied? Oh, it is your name. Oh, it is your name. அப்படியா, அது உன்னோட பெயர். உன்னோட பெயர் சொல்லி தானே நான் கூப்பிட முடியும், அதனால தான் உன்னோட பெயர் சொல்லி நாங்க கூப்பிடுறோம் அப்படின்ட்டு வள்ளி ரிப்ளை பண்றாங்க. Again Mittu asking something to Valli. What Mittu asked? Why do we need names? Names அப்படின்னா என்ன, எதுக்காக நமக்கெல்லாம் பேர் வைக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு மிட்டு யார்கிட்ட கேட்குறாங்க? வள்ளி கிட்ட மிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. Now Valli replied to Mittu. What she replied? We need names to call people. We need names to call people. பெயர் நமக்கு எதுக்காக தேவைப்படுது? பெயரை சொல்லி அழைக்கிறதுக்கு, மனிதர்களை பெயரை சொல்லி அழைக்கிறதுக்கு பெயர் நமக்கு கண்டிப்பா தேவைப்படுது அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றது? வள்ளி மிட்டுக்கு ரிப்ளை பண்றாங்க. நம்ம எதை பார்த்தாலும், ஒரு மனிதரை பார்த்தாலும், ஒரு பொருள் பார்த்தாலும், ஒரு பறவையை பார்த்தாலும் அதோட பேரை சொல்லி கூப்பிட்டாதான் என்ன பண்ணும்? அது நமக்கு தெரியும். So we need names to call people. Again, Mittu is asking something to Valli. Does everything have a name? Does everything have a name? எல்லாத்துக்கும் பேர் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு வள்ளி கிட்ட யார் கேட்கறது? மிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. Now Valli is replying, yes, people, places, animals and things all have names. ஆமாம், people மனிதர்கள், places இடங்கள், animals விலங்குகள், and things பொருட்கள் எல்லாவற்றிற்கும் பெயர் இருக்கிறது அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்றது? வள்ளி சொல்றாங்க. Yes, people, places, animals and things all have names. Valli is replying to Mittu. Now, we already learned about noun, isn't it, children? We already learned about noun. What is noun? Noun is a name of a person. It is a name of a places and things, isn't it, children? Now, let us recall some of the examples now. Name of a person. Look at this examples. Girl. The girl name is Valli. So, it is a noun. Next, boy. The boy name is Raju. So, Raju is a noun. It is a name of a person. And next one is doctor. Who is he? Doctor. Doctor is a person. So, it is a name of a. He is a doctor. It is a name of a person. So, it is a noun. And next one, name of a place. Noun denotes name of a place. Look at this picture. What about this one? This one is school. So, school is a name of a place. So, it is a noun. Next one, hospital. Hospital is a name of a place. So, it is a noun. Next one, house. House is a name of a place. So, it is a noun. And next one, name of an animal. So, noun denotes name of an animal. So, cow. Next one, dog. Next one, crow. So, noun denotes name of the animal. So, cow, dog, crow. These are the examples for animals. Next one, name of a thing. பொருட்களோட பெயரையும் குறிக்கின்றது noun. So, table. Table is the example for noun. Next one, kites. Kites are the examples for noun and it denotes things. Next one, book. Book is the example for, it is a thing, oru porul. So, it is a perfect example for noun. Next, we are going to see match the names to the pictures. So, it is a practice session. Let us practice. Match the names to the pictures. So, what you are going to do now, children? Match the names to the pictures. So, some names are here and some pictures are here, isn't it? So, read the names one by one and match the names with the pictures. First one, look at the first one. What is the spelling? S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Where is the school here in this pictures? Very good, children. School. Next one, crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Where is crow? Very good. It is a crow. Next one, boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Where is boy? Very good, children. Next one, T-A-B-L-E. Table. Where is table? Yes, it is there. Table. Next, C-O-W. Cow. Where is cow? Yes, cow is on the top. So, match the word cow with that picture. Next one, spell the word. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Where is carrot? Yes, it is on the top. Carrot. Very good, children. Next we are going to see, it is also your practice session only. Some words are given on the top. Now what is your work? Read the words and sort and write in the tabular column. So some words are given there, and in the tabular column there are 4 things. First column for person, next column for place, and next column for animal, and next column for things. So read the word one by one and sort according to person, place, animal and things. So spell the word and think and write where the word must be. Are you ready, children? Very good. I am also ready. Read the first word. Cat. C-A-T, cat. So cat is a name of person, place, animal, things. Cat is a name of, whether the cat is a name of person, place, animal or things? Yes, cat is a name of an animal. So write cat in animal column. Next one, Valli. V-A-L-L-I, Valli. Valli is the name of a person. ஒரு பொண்ணோட பேரு. So write Valli in the column person. Next, pen. P-E-N, pen. Pen is a thing. ஒரு பொருள். So write pen in the thing column. Next, G-I-R-L, girl. Girl also a name of a person. So write that girl in the person column. Next, B-A-L-L, ball. So ball, what about the ball? Whether it is person, it is place, or it is an animal, or it is a thing? Yes, ball is a name of a thing. So write ball in thing column. Next, Chennai. C-H-E-N-N-A-I, Chennai. சென்னைன்றது என்ன? ஒரு ஊரோட பேரு. So it is the name of the place. ஒரு இடத்தோட பேரு. So write Chennai in column of place. Next, Z-O-O, zoo. Zoo. What is mean by zoo? Very good, children. விலங்குகள்லாம் நீங்க பாப்பீங்க இல்லையா? சரணாலயம் சொல்வாங்க zoo. So that is your place. Zoo denotes your place. So write zoo in the column of place. Next one, G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. What about goat? Whether it is a person or place or an animal or thing? Very good, children. It is a name of an animal. So write goat in animal column. Next, F-A-N, fan. You all know about what is fan. What about fan? Whether it is a person or place, animal or thing? Very good, children. It is a thing. ஒரு பொருளோட பேரு. So write fan in thing tabular column. And next one, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. What about father? Very good, children. Person. He is a person. So write father in person column. Now person column over. Next one, S-H-O-P, shop. Shop na enna? Kadai. So ஒரு இடத்தோட பேரு. So write shop in place column. Next one, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog, it is an animal, children. So write dog in animal column. Very good, children. You take your book. In your book also they have given this exercise, and write in your book and practice well in your home also, children. Next, fill in the missing letters. Look at the first one. What is the name of this animal? Yes, monkey. Could you remember what is the spelling for monkey? Some letters are missing there. So fill the letters. Spell the word for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Very good, children. Look at the next picture. What is the name of this animal? Very good, children. This is a rabbit. So what is the spelling for rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. And next one, look about this. What is the name of this animal? Very good, children. It is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next one. What is the name of this animal? Very good. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Very good, children. You all did well. And we move to the next one. Let us do. Let us do. And in this let us do session, one word wall is there. What is that? One word wall. In that word wall, some words have given there. Read the words. I spell the words and I read the words. You repeat the words with me, children. First one, F-O-U-N-D. Found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Next, L-E-F-T. Left. Spell the word, children. L-E-F-T. Left. M-E-N. Men. M-E-N. Men. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. L-E-T. Let. L-E-T. Let. U-S-E. Use. U-S-E. Use. R-I-G-H-T. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. E-N-D. End. E-N-D. End. I read all the words in the word wall. Now, look at your exercise. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. Read aloud. Sattama padinga. And circle the words you see in the word wall. இப்போ வர சென்டென்ஸ்ல எந்த வார்த்தையெல்லாம் நீங்க word wallல படிச்சீங்களோ அந்த words எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? இந்த சென்டென்ஸ்ல ரவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். This exercise it's given in the book also. புக்லயும் இருக்கும். So after this session, you take your book and circle the words and make practice. Your first sentence, I found a pen. I found a pen. நானு பெண்ணை கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன். Second sentence, they are men. They are men. அவர்கள் ஆண்கள். They are men. Bring me a book. Bring me a book. Bring me a book. புத்தகத்தை கொண்டு வா. And your fourth sentence, wish you a great day. Wish you a great day. And your fifth sentence, the black cat has come out. The black cat has come out. Black cat, கருப்பு பூனை, has come out. வெளியே வந்தது. கருப்பு பூனை வெளியே வந்தது. Next one, open your right and left hands. Open your right and left hands. Open your right and left hand. So what is mean by right? Your right hand. And what is mean by left? This is your left hand. So right, left. Next one, seventh. This is the end. This is the end. இதுதான் முடிவு. So end na enna appo? முடிவு. முடியறது. This is the end. And your next word, let me use the book. Let me use the book. என்னை புத்தகத்தை உபயோகிக்க விடுங்கள். So read the sentence once again, children. I found a pen. Second sentence, they are men. Third sentence, bring me a book. Fourth sentence, wish you a great day. Fifth sentence, the black cat has come out. And sixth sentence, open your right and left hands. Seventh sentence, this is the end. And the eighth sentence, let me use the book. Now what is your work? You read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. So what are all the words you saw in that word wall, and circle the words in these sentence, children. So in this first sentence, I have found one word, that is found. F-O-U-N-D, found. It's given in the word wall and also in the sentence. And the next word, left. What is that? Left. Where is left? Yeah, it's here in the sixth sentence. And next one, men. M-E-N, men. Where is men? It is in the second sentence, men. Next one, bring. Where is bring? It is given in the third sentence. Next one, wish. It is given in that fourth sentence, wish. Next, black. Where is black? Yeah, it's given in the fifth sentence. Next one, let. Where is let? It is given in the eighth sentence, let. Next one, use. Where is use? It is given in that eighth sentence, use. Next one, write. Where is write? It is given in the sixth sentence, write. Next one, end. Where is end? It is given in the seventh sentence, end. So like this, you too also do it in your book, children, and do well, learn well. Next one, let us do find and circle the words. See, some words are here. What we read in the word wall, the same words given here also. The first word is found, second one men, third one wish, fourth let, right, left, bring, black, use, end. So, some alphabets are given here. Now, the words are hidden in these alphabets. The words are hidden in these alphabets. அந்த டேப்லெட் காலமில் கொடுத்துருக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸு இந்த ஆல்ஃபபெட்ஸ்குள்ளே மறைஞ்சிருக்கு. எங்கே இருக்குன்னு நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். Shall we do now? Are you ready, children? Okay, do it fast. Found. Found is here. Next, second one, men. Where is men? Find out. Yeah, it is here. Next one, wish. Where is wish? W-I-S-H, wish. Yeah, it is here, children. Next one, let. L-E-T, let. Where is let? Find out, children, where is let? Very good. It is here. Next one, right. Where is right? Have you found? Very good, children. It is here, right. Next one, left. Where is left? Very good, children. It is here. Next one, bring. Where is bring? Very good. It is here. Next one, black. Where is black? It's here. Next one, use. Where is use? Yeah, it is here. Next one, end. It is the last word, children. Find out carefully. Where is end? Have you found that word? Very good, children. It is here, end. So you all did well. Next one, let us practice. And one more practice session. One boy is there and one girl is there. The boy is asking, what do you have? Boy is asking to that girl, what do you have? நீ கையில என்ன வச்சிருக்கிற அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறான். The girl replied to that boy, I have a toy. I have a toy. நான் கையில் பொம்மை வைத்திருக்கிறேன். Again, the boy and girl is there. The boy is asking, what do I have? What do I have? நான் என்ன வைத்திருக்கிறேன் அப்படின்ட்டு பொண்ணுக்கிட்ட அந்த பையன் கேட்குறாங்க. Again the girl replied, you have a book. You have a book. And next one, see, the boy and girl also is there and one more girl also is there, and the boy is asking, what does she have? What does she have? What is mean by she? அவள். அவள் என்ன வைத்திருக்கிறாள்? Again the girl is replying, she has an umbrella. She has an umbrella. அவள் குடை வைத்திருக்கிறாள். Next, the boy and girl is there and one boy is there. First boy is asking, what does he have? அவன் என்ன வைத்திருக்கிறான்? Again the girl replied, he has a ball. He has a ball. அவன் பந்து வைத்திருக்கிறான். Now again the boy is asking to that girl, what do they have? See, in this picture two people are standing with the kites. What do they have? அவர்கள் என்ன வைத்திருக்கிறார்கள்? Again the girl is replying, they have kites. அவர்கள் பட்டங்கள் வைத்திருக்கிறார்கள். Now you all learned about noun, pronoun. I, நான், you, நீ, he, அவன், she, அவள், it, அது, we, நாங்கள், you, நீங்கள், they, அவர்கள். So when to use have and has for the pronouns? So if the pronouns are I, you, they, you supposed to use have. After this I, you, they. I, you, they வந்தா அதுக்கப்புறம் have போடணும். Next one, he, she, அவன், அவள். இது ரெண்டும் வந்தா அதுக்கு அடுத்து என்ன போடணும்? has போடணும். இதை மட்டும் நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. I, you, they இது வந்தா have போடணும். He, she வந்தா has போடணும். Are you clear, children? Okay, we move to the next one. Write has or have in the blanks. Look at the first one. I dash an apple. I dash an apple. What is the first person here? Who is the first person? I. So after I, what you supposed to write? Have or has? Very good, children. Have. Next one. Second. She dash a pen. Right? She dash a pen. Have வருமா? has வருமா? யோசிச்சு சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். Think and say, children. She. Very good, children. She has a pen. Next. Third one. He dash a cake. He dash a cake. What about he? He na என்ன? அவன். அடுத்து என்ன போடணும்? Have போடணுமா? Has போடணுமா? Very good, children. Has. He has a cake. Next one. Fourth. They dash a pet. They dash a pet. They அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? Have. Fifth one. You dash a car. What about you? You கடுத்து என்ன வரும்? Have. You have a car. Learn well and do well. Thank you, children.